In this short video, I'm going to explain you how to install Redis Object Cache for WordPress using server avatar. By default, Redis is installed in your server avatar install, so it's pretty simple to verify that everything is working correctly. You just go into your server avatar panel and into your settings. You need to make sure the server is enabled. Now, under your server name, you can just scroll down, go to settings, and you will see under security settings the Redis password. You will need to copy this into your clipboard because we will need to add this into our wp config file that's in our website root, and that's the main key you need to make sure to use. Now I copy pasted all those commands you need to add into wp config, and as you can see, the most important part is the Redis password field, where you have to paste the password. Regarding the Redis prefix, it can be anything you want. It can be your website or any name or just a combination of data. You can input anything. This is where you will have to paste your password that you had in the previous step, as I highlighted. So once you copy paste those into your wp config file, I'll show you where you can eventually add them. As you can see, in my case, it's at the start basically of the file, and you're pretty set up, so everything should be okay now. In your settings, Redis Object Cache, as you can see, mine is working, but I will disconnect. So when you install and you basically fill all the fields, you will be into this situation. The default install will show still file system readable, Redis reachable, but it will be not connected, as you can see. So when you enable it, it will basically work and enable. I recommend flushing the cache, and once you do that, basically you'll be sorted out. Everything should run smoothly, and if you have any problem, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you.